All right, I just want to show you guys how big this thing is. This is an inflatable penguin. He's laying on his side. Now, you do need to strap him out for any kind of wind, right? It does include the straps, but it has weights here and weights here. And if you guys can see, there's LED lights within itself. Now, it is waterproof because it's just rain right now. You can see some of the water drips in here, but you don't have to worry about it. I will set this up on your own personal timer, but look how beautiful it looks at night. So this is an awesome little feature for night. I'm gonna show you how big it is. I'm gonna stand right next to it so you guys can see it. All right, I'm gonna show you the size difference for human size on it. All right, so this is Chili Willy. You guys can see it. It stands about maybe about more than 10 feet tall, right? If you stand it up, but on its side, it's about maybe like 5.5 feet of size. All right, so you guys can see that, and it stretches all the way back here. Like I said, it does come with straps, so you can strap it down so it won't be this much weighty. Now you do need power, and like I said, you can set up on a timer. But this thing is beautiful at night. Just keep it away from any roses or anything sharp. You don't want to puncture this stuff, but this is going to last you pretty much all season and maybe other seasons too. So hope you guys enjoy this video.